EY reports a sharp rise in MENA M&A value in 2021 to $99 billion. And Elm surges 30% in its Riyadh trading debut. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramya Faraj. Regional M&A deal value saw a major resurgence in 2021, increasing by 16% to $99 billion from $85.2 billion in 2020. The total number of deals in 2021 reached 661 after a low of 397 in 2020. 55% of all M&A volume in 2021 came from domestic deals. Government-related entities accounted for 63% of the total disclosed deal value. Elm surged 30% in its trading debut today, with the stock rising to $44.30. The digital security firm owned by Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund had its shares priced at the top of the range, with the public investment fund raising $820 million from the offering. Grintafi, the Saudi-based football talent discovery startup for aspiring footballers in the Middle East, has raised a $2.1 million bridge round. The Jeddah-based sports tech company enables footballers to get rated based on their performances, and their rankings are viewed by football federations, professional clubs, and scouts. Iraq's oil ministry is denying reports that its energy deal with French firm Total Energies is on the verge of collapse due to disputes over contract terms. It comes amid growing concerns that Iraq's newly formed government might cancel the $27 billion deal. Iraq says the agreement includes 4 major contracts which require time to complete and cannot be implemented or resolved in a rush. Iran is reportedly taking steps for its official return to the international oil market after more than 3 years. Officials from National Iranian Oil are reportedly meeting at least 2 South Korean refiners to discuss a potential return of supply. The discussions are at a preliminary stage. Volumes and a possible timeline have yet to be shared. Etihad Airways has signed a letter of intent for 7 A350F freighters to add to its existing fleet of 5 A350 1,000 passenger versions. At the Singapore Air Show, Etihad also said it selected Airbus's flight hour services to support its entire A350 fleet. Etihad says the addition of the A350F will play a key role in driving its long-term cargo strategy and achieving its 2035 target to reduce CO2 emissions by 50%. Britain's annual inflation rate rose in January to 5.5%, the highest level it's seen for almost 30 years. Official data shows inflation edged up from 5.4% in December. Airbnb has posted a net profit of $55 million for Q4 against a huge loss for the same period of 2020. And it forecasts that bookings and prices will increase again in Q1 this year as demand for travel rises. Gross booking value in Q4 was $11.3 billion due to recovery in the number of nights and experiences booked and higher average daily rates. Booking value for the full year reached $46.9 billion. China's Metaverse Industry Committee has admitted 17 firms as it continues to move forward with efforts in the futuristic space. The committee was unveiled last November and is tasked with strengthening China's technological innovation and application integration for the industry, training professionals, and promoting new thinking related to Metaverse. The new companies are among 1,000 firms that have applied for around 10,000 Metaverse-related trademarks. This is the Daily Brief. I'm Ramya Faraj. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.